Witness how your body physically responds when you think of people you love. Notice how the feelings of gratitude continue to grow and expand. The love and joy that these people bring to your world affects your body in a positive way. Now, bring to mind a memory that brings you good feelings. Remember how wonderful this time was for you. Experience it in your mind as if you are back there now, and feel the gratitude for this memory. Allow these feelings to expand over your whole body and open your heart even more. Allow the feelings of gratitude to expand your heart even more as you begin to imagine all the things you are grateful for, material items, perhaps your home or your car, or even fresh running water. Think of even those small things that have a great impact on your daily life. You know that your gratitude is chasing away all stress and worry. You are being flooded with a feeling of thankfulness. Now, if you could, bring your hands and place them on your chest, right over the heart. Take a big deep breath in, feeling your hands move with the air. And just breathe naturally here for a few moments as you focus on the heart. Become grateful for your body. Thankful for you and all that you are. It is a blessing to be alive. Imagine that you can extend your gratitude to every tiny cell in your body. And say out loud, I am grateful. Feel how your heart is so full of love right now. Everything you need, you have. There are people out there who are there for you. And you are there for others. Breathe in deeply here again and let a big smile of gratitude come across your face. Say to yourself, I am grateful for this meditation. I am thankful for the air around me, fresh oxygen. Hold that smile on your face. You are beautiful. You add joy to the lives of others. Let your hands rest in your lap now, and gently open your eyes and look around you. Experience gratitude for all the things in your surroundings. Become grateful for this recording, leaving you feeling relaxed, just like you deserve. Return from this meditation with a greater sense of gratitude for everything in your life. You feel amazing, and you are thankful for that. Namaste.